Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix your purchase could not be completed. Contact iTunes Store. So guys, if you're also facing this problem on your Apple ID, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution is that you will have to make it sure that there are enough funds in your Apple ID in your payment method. So for that, open your settings and from here tap on your profile and from here tap on media and purchases, tap on view account. So guys, wait for some seconds. And from here you will have to tap on add money to account. So guys, from here make it sure that there are enough funds in your Apple ID in your payment method. So guys, if there is no enough fund in your Apple ID, simply add some amount from here in your Apple ID. So after this, check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution. That is, you will have to tap on purchase history, and from here you will have to make it sure that there is no any unpaid subscription in here in your purchase history. So as if there is any unpaid subscription in your Apple ID, simply pay for it, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution. That is, you will have to make it sure that your online transactions are not disabled by the bank from where you have got your debit or credit card. So as check the transaction status of your debit or credit card, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. So as if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution. That is, you will have to simply change the password for your Apple ID, and then you will have to force restart your device, and after this you will have to simply add your Apple ID again in your iPhone. So as for that, simply tap on your profile, scroll it below, and from here simply tap on sign out. So I simply sign out your Apple ID, and after this restart or force restart your device. So guys, you will have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So I simply force restart your device, and after this add your Apple ID again in your device. So as hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.